Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace this whole housing, the rear outer housing assembly for your tail lights on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. So to start with, you'll need to pop the trunk. Once you pop the trunk, then you can gain access to undo some screws back here, or bolts. So back here, that you have, this is closed. We've got a push pin in here. We pull that out, and then you can pull this carpet back. There's two number 10 nuts that need to be removed, and once those are removed, then you can come back around here, you grip the whole light, and just kind of pull on it, and it pops out in there. Once you have it out, now you'll just need to take out all the light bulbs, twist them a quarter turn to the left, and remove them. And then we have some electric lines here that we need to remove out of there. And there was electric lines stuck in there. And then this you have to undo, and this feeds the LED. So press the clip and remove that electric, and that's how you remove the whole housing assembly in case you need to replace it because it's broken and or the LEDs have gone out and you'd like to replace those. So then you would take your new one and you would just put everything back in. So push the electrical connector in for the LEDs. Line up the holes and tabs, quarter turn to the right. Put our blinker in there. Quarter turn to the right. And then the brake light. Quarter turn to the right. And so those are all in there. Now you'll just take and put the wires back in the little holder. And we're good to go. And now just line this up, make sure you got this. There's a little tab in the inside here that's going to line up right here with this white piece, and that's what holds it close to the car. And then you just press it in, and that one tab, metal tab, locks it in. And now you come back around here and be able to put the two nuts on here that are a size 10. Tighten those up. And then you've got this wire to just stick on there. Then reroute this back to where it goes. Take your push pin. Put it in there. Snap the pin in. And so that's how you replace your outer tail light assembly on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.